Hey there, this is Paul with Paul's Mobile Homes. Here's a few tips for painting on the inside of your mobile home. Number one, clean everything. Clean everything really good. Rags, water, simple green. You gotta clean those walls, clean the doors, clean everything that you're gonna paint. Get it nice and clean and wait till it's dry before you start with anything else. Two, really make sure that you've got light colors for the home. If you're going to do dark colors inside of a mobile home, well, if that's your preference, you can go ahead and do it. It is going to make it look smaller. Lighter colors are going to make it look larger, and it's going to feel more attractive and comfortable if you use some lighter colors. So that's my recommendation. Number three, get the walls repaired. Like if you have holes in the walls, nail holes, stuff like that, learn to use spackle, joint compound, learn a little bit about how to make the wall flat. It's pretty easy to do. It's not hard. A lot of people have done it in the past, but get your walls nice and flat, sanded smooth, so that when you start with your primer or your paint on that wall, you have a nice wall that you're starting with in the first place. Okay, just a few indoor painting tips if you're rehabbing or if you just want to do it for your own mobile home. Have a great day. Bye.